The Planning Tool or Implementation Award honors a specific planning tool, practice, program, project, process, or effort that has accomplished positive changes. This award emphasizes innovation, transferability, and results that can be measured over long-term use.
My role in this project was the lead and the key employee who really worked on everything from installing the counters, working with member agencies and our active transportation work group to actually determining which technologies we were going to be using and diving into the data once we had it and creating some of those reports and analysis afterwards. The Compass Bicycle and Pedestrian Counting Program was inspired by the need to have a better understanding of all users in the Treasure Valley. So historically, across the nation, we've done a really good job of understanding how automobiles move, what the congestion looks like, the routes they take, traffic patterns. However, bicycle and pedestrian movement has still largely been a mystery. One important component of this program was to be able to help planners and elected officials make the most informed decisions they have using quantitative data. For example, let's say we were going to look at a pathway improvement along the Greenbelt here. In the past, we could say, to help justify it, there's a lot of use on the Greenbelt. But then commonly what would be the next question in return was, well, how much use is a lot of use? Now, thanks to permanent counters like the one we have here on Friendship Bridge, we're able to either prove or disprove those statements. So for example, here we see that there's been over 850,000 users across this bridge, both bicycle and pedestrian, in the past year alone. What's been exciting about this is cities and agencies all across the state and even beyond have really had an eye on us to see what are those best practices and what are some of the examples and technologies they should take into their own programs moving forward.
The 2016 Idaho Chapter APA Planning Tool or Implementation Award goes to Community Planning Association.